mixed numbers. Okay, this one honestly should not be that much harder from what we've learned already from adding fractions, okay? So let's just kind of take a problem. 2 1/2 plus 1 1/6. Okay, now pretend like this did not have whole numbers with it and it was just fractions. What would you do? Yes, Jaden?
Take the 2 up to a 6 and the 1 up to a 3.
Okay, but what are you actually doing though?
Timesing it by 3.
This one? Yes. Okay, so basically, everybody remembers you have to have the same what? Denominator. Whenever you're adding or subtracting fractions, you have to have the same denominator. Okay, and so let's just look at the denominators first. What denominator will both 2 and 6 go into? 6. Very good. So I'm going to go in and put 6 and 6 here. All right, will this one have to change at all?
No.
No, because it already has 6, okay? But this 2, in order to get it to a 6, what do I have to multiply it by?
Times 3.
Times 3. And when I do the bottom number, I have to do the numerator, the top. 1 times 3 is 3. Now, because I have the advantage of erasing, I'm going to go, all right, and then slide this over. So now this becomes our new problem. And it's really just as simple as that. You just act like the whole numbers aren't there for a minute, and then you add them in there. Okay, so if we were to do this problem, we would add this part first. 3 6 plus 1 6 is
4 6.
4 6. Very good. And 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, what's wrong with this, Isaac?
It can be reduced.
It can be reduced. Okay, and what can that be reduced by? Huh?
It would go to
2/3, yes. So what number will go into both 4 and 6 to reduce it? 2. So if I divide it by 2, divided by 2, I would get 2/3. So my final answer would be 3 2/3. Pretty simple?
Yep.
Not even hard at all, right? All right, y'all try one on your own. Okay? 1 1/2 plus 2 2/3. Whoops. Sorry. All right, figure it out. Okay. All right, Jaden, you help me out first. Okay. What number did you choose for your denominator?
2. Well, 6.
6. Very good. Okay. Did everybody else choose 6 or anybody else choose anything higher?
I chose 5.
5? 5 won't work because 3 won't go into 5 and 2 won't go into 5. Okay? Did anybody else choose anything else? Some people could probably, when I first looked at it, I thought, I wonder if 12 would work, but I didn't even think lower yet. So 12 could have worked too. You would have just had to reduce more.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's do this. All right, to get 3 to 6, Isaac, what do I have to do?
Times it by 2.
Times it by 2, so I have to time the numerator by 2. All right, and to get from 2 to 6, Pascalina, what would you have to do? Times it by 3, excellent. Times it by 3. So I would go 3. Now, because I have an advantage, okay, I'm going to slide this over, and that is my new problem. All right, now what do I do? Somebody else. Thank y'all for helping though. Nicholas, what do I do?
You would add this to 3.
Let's do that last.
Okay. Then you would divide 4 by 3.
Not divide. We're adding.
Add 3 by 3.
So you would add your numerators, right? 4 plus 3, you would get 7, and 6 always stays the same. Your denominator always stays the same once you have a common one. Okay? And then 2 plus 1 is 3. What is wrong with this problem, Isaac?
Improper.
Yes. This is really messed up because not only do we have a mixed number, but we have a mixed improper number, okay?
Yeah.
So, actually what I'm going to do is just take this and fix it. So 7 6, okay? What do I need to do with that to get it proper? Lena?
Convert it.
Huh?
Convert it.
I didn't hear you.
Convert it.
Convert it, yes. Okay, so how do I do that?
You
This says 7
Divided by
divided by 6. 7 divided by 6. So when I did that, I would get 1 and 1/6. So this converted makes this, okay? So I want you to watch what happens. 1 and 1/6. Okay, but I still have 3 plus this 1 and 1/6. What should I do? Yes, Isaac?
add 3 and 1.
Add the 3 and the 1. 3 plus 1 is 4 and 1/6. Everybody feel like they understand? Okay. That's lesson 59, guys.